Well, hi there friends, welcome to Heart-Filled Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make mouth-watering steak bites in the air fryer in just 10 minutes. To get this recipe going, I purchased two 1-inch thick petite sirloin steaks. And you're going to take those steaks and cut them into 1-inch cubes. Now that we have all of that steak cut up into our 1-inch cubes, we're going to go ahead and grab our mushrooms. My very favorite mushroom for this recipe is the Baby Bella whole mushrooms that I just cut into quarters. Next, we're going to season up our mushrooms and steak with salt, your favorite steak seasoning, and a little bit of garlic powder. Now once everything is all seasoned up, we're going to go ahead and drizzle that with 2 tablespoons of oil. I'll be using olive oil in my recipe. Let's head on over to the air fryer and set the temperature at 400 degrees. Add your seasoned steak bites and mushrooms, and we're going to cook that for 10 minutes. In just 10 minutes, you have a delicious, juicy steak bites with perfectly cooked mushrooms. I hope you'll give this recipe a try and enjoy it as much as we do. Before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe to our Heart-Filled community for more easy and tasty recipes. See you in the next one.